In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to speed up your NordVPN connection. If your VPN feels sluggish, these quick adjustments can make a big difference without getting overly technical. Keep in mind that overall performance also depends on your internet plan, the time of day, and normal encryption overhead, so the goal is to remove common bottlenecks and get the best possible speed for your setup. First, connect to a closer server. Distance adds latency, so the farther your data travels, the slower it can feel. Open your VPN app, choose a nearby country, and when possible, select a server in your own city or the closest one listed. If you see options like load or distance, pick a server with lighter load and shorter distance for more consistent speeds. Next, switch to the NordLynx protocol in Settings, under Advanced. NordLynx is built on WireGuard technology and is designed for speed while staying secure. Toggle it on, then reconnect to your server so the change takes effect. Many people see an immediate improvement here. Whenever you can, use a wired connection. Plug your device into your router or modem with an Ethernet cable. Wi-Fi can suffer from interference, walls, and crowded channels, all of which slow things down before the VPN even enters the picture. A cable gives you a cleaner, steadier baseline, which your VPN can then protect with less overhead. If things still feel slow, try a different server. Individual servers can get busy at certain times. Simply disconnect and pick another option in the same country or a nearby one. A few quick switches can reveal a server that gives you better throughput. Also, close background apps that might be using bandwidth. Cloud backups, game launchers, streaming tabs, and large downloads will compete for your connection. On your device's task manager or activity monitor, quit anything you don't need right now and pause automatic updates while you're testing. You can also turn off CyberSec in Settings. CyberSec blocks ads and malicious sites, which is great for safety, but the filtering can add a bit of overhead. Temporarily switch it off, reconnect, and see if performance improves. You can always turn it back on once you're finished. Finally, restart your device. A clean reboot refreshes network drivers, clears stuck processes, and reinitializes your VPN connection. After restarting, connect again and see how it feels. Follow these steps in order, and you should notice smoother browsing, faster downloads, and more reliable streaming while staying secure online. If you found a combination that works, save those settings and mark your favorite servers so it's easy to reconnect next time.